Hello and welcome back to my channel. I remember myself, Johnsonkeyz. Congratulations to us on 10K. Yeah, I'm so happy and glad. Congratulations to all of us. All right, so in this tutorial, I want to show you how to substitute your 6-2-5-1 for 6-7 a one like this, then 2-3-2-4. So we're gonna use this song. So I will pause where I want to show you. So I'll just play the song to that point. We bring a sacrifice into the house. We bring a sacrifice into the house of the. Normally we would do love as we are. Yeah, I don't like singing in C, but now you can do this of the Lord as we offer unto thee. So instead of doing a 6-2-5-1 that I've taught you so many times, you can also do. So what am I doing here? Left A, right A, F, A, C. So I'll just call out the note very fast. Then C, 7. You have a B on your left. Then you have G, B, G. Yeah. So then this is the juicy part. So on your 1, yeah, you do a B flat on your 1. So you have so that's like B flat sus 2. So you do C. Of course, your 1 in case you want to play that on another key. So you do C on your left. Then you do F, B flat, D, and F on your right. So then you go to a 3 with a E on the left. G, C, E, G. So other instead of love as we offer, you do as we offer. Let's look at this song. Parted for the waters of my soul. So instead of being the waters of my soul, we've done this a lot of time. That's why we need to start changing. So we have a. So you can always do that in the key of F that or sound. So, we bring a sacrifice of prayer into the of the Lord. We bring a sacrifice of prayer into the heart of the soul. Lord, as we are. So just bring the camera towards it so they can just see the notes. Then next chord. Then you can do this. Then so of the Lord. You have the C sharp. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Congratulations to us once again. Thank you. Bye.